ಹೌದು, ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೂ ಒಂದು. ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಶ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ 39ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಝಲಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನಾನು ಭಾಗೀರಥಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕೂಟವೇ ಸೇರಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ಶಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪೆನ್ನು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಹಿಡಿದು ಶಾಲಾ ತರಗತಿ ಕೊಠಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರೂ ತರಗತಿ ಕೋಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಶಾಲಾ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಧರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಧರಿಸಿ ತಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಕುಣಿಯಲು ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಾಡು ಕುಣಿತ ನೋಡುಗರ ಮನರಂಜಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಪೋಷಕರಂತೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಾಡು ಕುಣಿತ ನೋಡಿ ಮಂತ್ರಮುಗ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಾಡು ಕುಣಿತ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನ ನೀಡ್ತಿದ್ವು. ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಕ್ಷಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು.
To invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. Let us start this celebration with the consent of God. Without His blessings, nothing moves. Over to the school choir for the prayer. I request all to raise up for the prayer.
Tumba
asseveration that the quality of the program is determined by the quality or rather the caliber of the guest. Indeed, we are proud to have Dr. Nandakishore B as our chief guest. Moments of moment, we are proud, privileged and blessed that we have a great dignitary who have added a new dimension to our program. He is one and only the rank holder of Sri Ramakrishna School. Dr. Nandakishore, MBBS, MS, Urology Consultant, Neurologist and Andrologist, Assistant Professor of Urology, Father Muller's Medical College, Mangaluru and alumni of Sri Ramakrishna School. I welcome you, sir. I also take immense pleasure in welcoming our PTA President, Mrs. Hemalata, who always supports us with her service with a smile. I welcome you, ma'am. I also welcome our PTA Vice President, Mr. Ravichandra Shetty, for his guidance and support throughout the year. Welcome you, sir. Being the best is not all important. Doing the best is all that matters. Ideas are like stars. We will choose them to our guide and follow them until we reach our destination. So, is our ever active Madam of the Primary School, Headmistress, Mrs. Usha Shetty. I welcome you, ma'am. I also welcome our High School Headmistress, Mrs. Shobha Shetty, for her presence. I welcome you, ma'am. I welcome the respected PU College Principal, Mr. Kishore Sheni, and also Degree College Principal, Mrs. Pratima, for their presence. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. I welcome all the members of PTA Executive Committee for their kind cooperation and support and encouraging us throughout the year. I also welcome our ex-high school headmistress, Mrs. Usha Ballal. I welcome you, ma'am. I also welcome our ex-PTA President, Mr. Yatiraj Shetty, and all the executive members for their presence. I welcome Mrs. Shobha Pai, Zonal Manager of Hippocampus Learning Center, Mrs. Anita, Regional Manager of Hippocampus, and Mr. Rakesh, Area Manager of Hippocampus. I welcome you all. I extend a warm welcome to our parents who have been supporting us all throughout. On this occasion, I thank you for being pillars of strength and towers of support and hope. I welcome you, parents. Now let us have a traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. I request Honorable Secretary and Correspondent, Chief Guest, President and Vice President of PTA, Headmistress of both the sections to light the lamp and inaugurate the annual day celebration.
ओठी भक्ती सुर साऱ्या संतांचा माहेर माहेर पंढरपूर ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಲ್ಲ ರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಹೊತ್ತು ನುಗ್ಗುವರಲ್ಲ ನುಗ್ಗುವರಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಲ್ಲ ರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಹೊತ್ತು ನುಗ್ಗುವರಲ್ಲ ನುಗ್ಗುವರಲ್ಲ ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಕನ್ನ ಹಾಕುವರಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಮೋಡುವರಲ್ಲ ತಗದಿಮಿ 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 ಬಡಿದರೆ ಆಗ ತೋಡಿರಾಗ ಹಾಡುವರಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಣರಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರೆಲ್ಲ ತೋಳರಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಣರಲ್ಲ There you go, buddy. ಸರಿಗಮಕ ಹೇಳುವರಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಗೀತವನು ಬಲ್ಲವರಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡಕ್ಷರವ ಕಲಿತವರಲ್ಲ, ಪಂಡಿತರಷ್ಟೇ ನಟಿಸುವರಲ್ಲ. ಆ, ಆ, ಈ, ಔ, ಓ, ಐ, ಒಂದೊಂದರ ಒಂದು ಮಗ್ಗಿಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸುಲಭದ ಲೆಕ್ಕವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೊಡ್ಡವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಣರಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಕ್ಕವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಣರಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಣರಲ್ಲ.
पंचसायकं नमन्निलिम्बनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमान श्रीकरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजटालहंसुता।
Distinguished President of today's Annual Day program, Mr. Vasanta Shetty, General Secretary of Bantarayane Nadavara Matru Sangha and correspondent of Sri Ramakrishna Educational Institutions, Chief Guest Dr. Nanda Kishore B, alumnus of Sri Ramakrishna School, President of PTA Mrs. Hemalata, Vice President of PTA Mr. Ravi Chandra Shetty, the headmistress of Sri Ramakrishna High School, Mrs. Shobha Shetty, executive committee members of PTA, parents, guardians, guests, well-wishers, teaching and non-teaching faculty, and my dear students. Your presence here gives us great joy and happiness. Small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. With a grateful heart, I warmly welcome you all. We are privileged to have Mr. Vasanta Shetty, General Secretary of BANM Sangha and correspondent of Sri Ramakrishna Educational Institutions, to preside over the function. I extend a hearty welcome to you, sir. We are truly honored to have with us Dr. Nandakishore, who has emerged out today as a successful doctor in the city and who is the only student of the school who has secured rank in the SSLC examination, which is obviously a pride for the school that has molded him initially. I extend hearty welcome to you, Dr. Nandakishore. Another year of growth, another year of inspiration and promise. I have the honor to place before you brief report of our school activities, programs and achievements during 2018-19. School profile. Each school is a temple of knowledge and wisdom. Sri Ramakrishna Nursery and Higher Primary School is run by Sri Ramakrishna Charitable Trust under the management of Bantarayane Nadavara Matra Sangha, Dakshina Kannada, which was founded by two eminent personalities of our district, Attavara Balakrishna Shetty, popularly called as A.B. Shetty, and his brother Attavara Sitarama Shetty. The name Ramakrishna has been framed by combining the two parts found in their names, Rama and Krishna. In 1980, Sri Ramakrishna Nursery and Primary School was founded by BANM Sangha with a view to give a new dimension to the present education system. It's a matter of great pride to talk about the significant strides that the school has taken in these 38 years in academics, sports and co-curricular activities under the able guidance of the correspondents, Mr. Srinath Hegde, Mr. Shankar Mohan Punja, late Mr. K. Chittaranjan Shetty, late Mr. Sridhar Shetty, Mr. Balraj Ray, Mr. Shashidhar Shetty, Mr. Sundar Shetty and Mr. Krishna Prasad Ray, and the HMs Mrs. Juliana Di Mello and Mrs. Hilda Albuquerque.
দেখো আলোয় আলো আকাশ, দেখো আকাশ তারায় ভরা, দেখো যাওয়ার পথের পাশে ছোটে হাওয়া পাগল পারা, এত আনন্দ আয়োজন সবই বৃথা আমায় ছাড়া, ভরে থাকুক আমার মুঠো, দুই চোখে থাকুক ধারা, এলো সময় রাজার মতো, হলো কাজের হিসেব সারা, বলে আয় রে ছুটে আয় রে তারা, হেথা নাই গো মৃত্যু নাই গো যারা, বলে আয় রে ছুটে আয় রে তারা, হেথা নাই গো মৃত্যু নাই গো যারা।
appreciate and congratulate the winners who has faced many challenges to be pioneers. In fact, that's all because of their perseverance, constancy and immovability. I request Dr. Nandakishore sir to felicitate the prize holders. I request Mrs. Banu Rekha and Mrs. Arpana to announce the names of prize winners.
Good evening. You are born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and work hard to win. Here are our achievers who have excelled in academics. We are proud to place before you the students who made us proud by being the top scorer of our school from standard 1st to standard 7. Here we go. Purvika R. Punja, third top scorer. These prizes are sponsored by Mrs. and Mr. Manjunath K. Rao, parent of Niyati Rao. Third A, Amrita R. first top scorer. Parinika G, second top scorer. Standard 4th A, Divya Rani, first top scorer. Yashika N. Ganika, second top scorer. Samath S. Shetty, third top scorer. These prizes are sponsored by Mrs. and Mr. Santosh Gambhir, parent of Janvi Gambhir. Rekha AJ, third top scorer. These prizes are sponsored by Mrs. and Mr. Jagdish Marla, parent of Sanvi and Samai Marla. Following are the students who are the champions in sports. Jannavi 5th A, Sanjana Lakshmi 6th B, Shreyas 7th A, Srinidhi M. Alva 7th A, Amok BS 7th B, Meghana Shetty 7th B, Thank you, sir.
The student who is a good student will be equally good in all the aspects. It doesn't mean that he is good only in studies. Studies becomes a part of it. Along with that, he learns how to communicate, he learns how to help each other, how to respect each other. Nowadays, we see lot of violence, lot of children, they commit suicide also. If there is any problem in their life, they try to commit suicide, which is very dangerous. So all these things comes because of the pressure which is given by the parents, or because of a bad company or bad friends. So I think that the role of students, the role of parents in shaping their children is also very important. Parents should not be overprotective, or they should not be neglecting their children. Nowadays we see that most of them, we don't have time, but still we should give equal importance for the students' school work or their homework, whichever they are doing in their house. They should give equal importance to that also. Not just allowing them to play on their own, to giving them gadgets like mobile phones, or to play in the computers, which is, I think, in the long run, it might be harmful to our health as well as to the society, because lot of you have a lot of influence on the child's mind when they use these gadgets. There is a high chance that they may turn antisocial, they can be more aggressive, they see lot of violence, and all these things will have some influence on their mind. And this, I think, both school environment as well as the home environment makes an important role. You just can't give the entire blame on the teachers. It is the parents also who are important, and also you should have overlook on your children, how they behave in front of others, or how they behave in the society. So these things we should always have a good look upon it. Opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Opportunity and talent, these two things should mix so that you have the better results from the student. I think Sri Ramakrishna School is one of the most meritorious school, as well as it is a notable school in the whole of Mangalore, where equal importance is given to both talents, and also there are a lot of extracurricular activities which are given equally importance, and opportunity is there for the students to grab them. Lot of students have scored good marks, as well as they have participated in various competitions, and they have got medals, and they got ranks. So this indicates that you should inculcate all these aspects into the education. If you have a good society, you have a good nation. Our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, had told that when there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. If there is a harmony in the home, then there is order in the nation. And if the order in the nation, then there is peace in the world. So I feel that these are the important steps which make up a student's career. And there are 4 unique tools which has to be borne in mind by the students. When you when you are studying in the school, you should set up some goals, acquire knowledge continuously, hard work with devotion and perseverance. Never give up. Never give up. I think that failure should be a stepstone for your success. You should not think that if you have failed in one attempt, you should try your level best so that you can do a better performance in the next exams. So with these words, I will not waste much of your time. I congratulate all the winners. I give my thanks to the PTA Association, the correspondent and headmistress of Sri Ramakrishna School, and all those who have gathered here, who have patiently listened to me. I take this opportunity I take this opportunity to thank the school from my batch, which has been passed out from Sri Ramakrishna in 1997. So, with these words, thank you one and all. Have a pleasant evening.
Students have emerged as champions of champions and have brought name and fame to our institution. Samradhi of 7th standard won 3rd place in drawing held by Central Library. In competitions conducted by Ramakrishna Mission, our students have made a mark by securing following prizes. Pratika Ganiga of standard 6 won 1st place in drawing. Samradhi of standard 7 won 1st place in quiz. Palguni Rai of standard 6 won 1st place in Kannada essay. Renee S. Kumar of standard 1st won 2nd place in fancy dress. Aditya S. Karan of standard 2nd won 2nd place in fancy dress competition. Rekha AJ of standard 7th won 2nd prize in fancy dress competition conducted by Red FM Chinnara Vesha. A feather for a crown, we are proud that our student of standard 7, Vikshit, has won the prestigious Inspire Award conducted by the Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology and Government of India in 2nd Science Model Competition. Neighbors envy, owners pride. So is our little princess, Dhanvi K, who won 1st place in JC's Princess competition held at Town Hall. I request the audience to please give a big round of applause for this little princess. Not to leave behind our tradition, religion and spiritual customs, we have won prizes conducted by the various organizations. One among them is Sarojini Madhusudan Kushe School, Attavara in sub-junior and junior category. Spandana R. Nair and Yashika and Ganiga of standard 4th won 1st place in Rangoli. Pratika N. Ganiga and Palguni Rai of standard 6 won 2nd prize in Rangoli. Diksha P. Shetty of 4th standard won second prize in flower arrangement. Tanmay of 4th won third prize in flower arrangement. Yavanika Y. Mutta of standard 6th also won second prize in flower arrangement. Yukta Shetty of 4th standard won second prize in Bharatnatyam solo. Vaishnavi and Parthi won first prize in Bhajan Hymns. Prize in folk dance in junior category.
ಏಯ್ತಿನಿಂದಲೇ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಆದ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವುದಂತ ಒಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವನ ವಿದ್ವತ್ತು, ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏಯ್ತಿನಿಂದಲೇ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನ ತರಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಒಂದು ಇಂತಹ ಕೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅವ ಇಂಥದ್ದೇ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಸೈನ್ಸೇ, ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸೇ, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವೊಂದು ಅಂದಾಜು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಹಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ 2000 ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದವರು ಕೆಲವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಫಾರಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಖನಿಜ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಗಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಖನಿಜ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಉಂಟು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಉತ್ತುಂಗ ಶಿಖರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುವ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಜನವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಕಸಾಲೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರದಾಗೆ ನಾವು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿ ನಾನು 2 ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.
Now it is the time to felicitate the backbones of this program whose creativity and dedication made this event to look like a grand celebration. I would like to call upon stage international fame Mr. Pramod Alwa, Miss Diksha, and I also call upon stage Mr. Nagesh Rao, photographer for rendering his service from many years, and Miss Deepa Bhatt, keyboard instructor. I request our secretary and correspondent to felicitate the choreographers and Mr. Nagesh Rao. May I request Mr. Vasant Shetty sir to present a memento as an expression of our gratefulness to the esteemed guest Dr. Nandakishore sir. Thank you sir. It is not joy that makes us grateful, it is gratitude that makes us joyful. Now my colleague Mrs. Pushpalata I request my colleague Mrs. Pushpalata to convey our gratitude to all present here.
The inspiration showed by our headmistress, Mrs. Usha Shetty, has given us all the energy to get this function done successfully. Thank you, madam, for guiding us done this program in a disciplined manner. I offer my sincere thanks to high school headmistress, Mrs. Shobha Shetty, for being with us today. Thank you, ma'am. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Principal of Sri Ramakrishna PU College, Mr. Kishore Kumar Rai, Chennai, and Degree College, Mrs. Pratima Shetty, for their incessant support in all our programs. I am very much thankful to Mr. Umesh Rai, Administrative Officer of Bans Alia Nadavara Matra Sangha, for duly providing us with all necessary requirements. Thank you, sir. Nothing truly valuable can be achieved except by the unselfish cooperation and support of many individuals. My heartfelt thanks to PTA President, Mrs. Hemalata, and Vice President, Mr. Ravichandra Shetty, for their constant support. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my sincere thanks to all the Executive Committee members of the PTA and all the parents for their excellent cooperation.
Not to leave behind our tradition, religion and spiritual customs, we have won prizes conducted by the various organizations in sub-junior and junior category. Spandana R. Nair and Yashika and Ganika of Standard 4th won first place in Rangoli. Pratika and Ganika and Falguni Rai of Standard 6 won second prize in Rangoli. Krisha P. Shetty of 4th standard won second prize in flower arrangement. Tanmay of 4th won third prize in flower arrangement. Yavanika Y. Mutta of standard 6 also won second prize in flower arrangement. Yukta Shetty of 4th standard won second prize in Bharatnatyam solo. Vaishnavi and Party won first prize in Bhajan Hymns.
Conducted by the various organizations.
Prize in folk dance in junior category.
ಇಂದ 8ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ SSLC ಆದ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವುದಂತ ಒಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವನ ವಿದ್ವತ್ತು, ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ 8ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನ ತರಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಒಂದು ಇಂತಹ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. SSLC ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅವ ಇಂಥದ್ದೇ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಸೈನ್ಸೇ, ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸೇ, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೊರತರುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವಾಗಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ. ಇದೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ, ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ V4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.